use. What are the uses of the water? Water is used many uses in our daily life. We are using bathing, cooking, washing, drinking purpose, and also it will be used for irrigation purpose. It is used that water industries. So water is mostly useful for human life because it's always essential need water for us. Water will be using into the agricultural purpose. It will be water is not available in agricultural fields. There will be not grow the plants. So water is many purposes. Water will be used drinking, bathing, cooking, irrigation purpose, and it will be used in agriculture. It will be used in industrial wise also. Next, flow. There are two types of water resources. How many types of water resources? There are two types of water resources. Surface water resources and underground water resources. Surface water resources and underground water resources. The surface water resources on the earth, oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, tanks, etc. It will be formed two types: inflow and outflow. Inflow and outflow. Underground water resources. Underground water resources are available in two ways: wells and bore wells. Tell me the children, what are the important water resources? There are two water resources, two type of water resources. What are they? Surface water resources and underground water resource. Surface water resources are available nearly 97.25% on oceans and seas. As to inflow, the water on the air, rivers, lakes, ponds, tanks, etc. Inflow equal to precipitation plus surface water plus ground water flow. Tell me the children, what is inflow? Inflow equal to precipitation plus surface water plus and underground water flows. Next, outflow. Outflow water resources are available on evaporation and transportation. Outflow form evaporation. The sun rays fall on the earth's surface. Water will be heated. The water will be changed into vaporous state. It is also known as evaporation. Tell me the children, what is evaporation? Water change into vaporous state. It is also known as water vapor. As to transportation. The transportation means living things to give off the water, the atmosphere through their breathing process. The living beings through the water in a breathing purpose. It is called transportation. Evaporation, transportation is mixed called evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration means the total amount of the water vapor atmosphere, both evaporation and transpiration. It is called evapotranspiration. Water will be formed in two types: inflow water and outflow water resources. Outflow means water will be have to evaporated. The evaporated water will take into the clouds. Clouds give us for rain. This is the process. It is also known as hydrological circle. It is also known as water cycle. Inflow water on the surface washes seas, lakes, ponds, etc. Next one. Tungabhadra river basin. Tungabhadra, Musi are the tributaries of river Krishna. Tungabhadra flowing in the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh states. Tungabhadra. The Tungabhadra dam constructed in India 1952. It is a joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh states. The basin catchment, the total catchment area of Tungabhadra is 71,417 square kilometers. Here 57,671 square kilometers is in Karnataka. The remaining water will be flow the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is also one of the joint venture of Tungabhadra dam. Tungabhadra. The dam is constructed across the Tungabhadra basin. Next, rational and equitable water resources. What means rational and equitable? Rational water will be using into the many ways. It will be using different type of the purposes. It is very helpful for human beings. It will be used for drinking purpose, bathing purpose, and cooking purpose. It is very helpful for us. The first state in India, Maharashtra, using watershed program. Haveri Bazaar in Maharashtra, the first village to select Adarsh Grama Yojana award. The first village started in India watershed program. Water will be stored the seeds. It will be using to the many purposes. They are using different ways to the water. It will be used to the equitable resources to the all the peoples in surrounding areas. There are started first in India watershed program. They are using into the 4 bunds. How many bunds? There are 4 bunds are using. That village will be well developed in India. It is in Maharashtra. The village is Haveri Bazaar. Where is Haveri Bazaar? Tell me the children. It is in Maharashtra. They are using into the 4 bands. Korobandi, ban of on felling trees. Charai Bandi, ban of free gazing, and Nas Bandi, family planning. Nas Bandi, ban of liquor. These are 4 type of bans. Okay, how many type of bans are using? There are 4 bans. First one is Korobandi, ban of falling trees. And second one is Charai Bandi. ban of free gazing, and Nasmandi family planning. And fourth one is Nasabanda, they are banned to the liquor in that village. They are doing a physical volunteer organization is called Sramadan. They are doing in every weekly Sramadhanam and well developed village. So the first village to selected in India, Adarsh Grama Yojana award for their using into the water state program, and they are using into the bans. The bans mean ban. There are four types of bans. First ban is a ban of felling the trees, ban of free gazing, ban of family planning, and ban of liquor. In the four type of bans to be used, it will be very well developed village in Maharashtra. It will be selected as a Adarsh Grama Yojana award. Okay, it is a rational and equitable use of water. Lastly, we all discuss about water is a common food. Common food means it is water is a collectively responsibility to all the peoples. They are using how much we need, that water will be used on surface water, underground water also. The surface water, for example, washroom water, sea water, these two waters are not using for the drinking purpose. Nowadays, almost of all people are using into the underground water. The underground water will be to be used for the drinking purpose. They are digging into the borehole pump states, and inner layer water have been taken to the upper. So groundwater levels day by day, it will be decline, because we all are using into the excessive use of in this groundwater levels. If you are using into the excess of groundwater levels, you are facing a lot of problems, especially in the summer season. Water is not available for us. Drinking water problems will be faced the almost of all human beings. There are so many dryland areas, water problem will be faced. Here is given in this lesson, Perumanti village, it is in Kerala. Where is the Perumanti village? It is in Kerala. In this village, Coca-Cola company to build a plant. They are using into the number of cubic water, that underground water, that place underground water. So people are facing a lot of water problems. So they are collectively to fight against into the company. They are give to the petition to Supreme Court. Supreme Court will be banned, and it will give the judgment if any factories, if any companies establishment their any place to take the permission of local self-government. That means it will be taken to the permission of village panchayat or mandala parishad and jilla parishad. Permissions must be have to taken. They are give the permission. After that, it will be constructed their plants. They are using into the less amount of the water, because the nearest peoples are suffered a lot of problems. Okay, that is. And today we all are discuss most important points are rivers and tributaries. What do you mean by river? The thin river, the thin streams joining in a place, it is called a rivers. Important rivers are Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Next one, Himalayan rivers. What are Himalayan rivers? Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. What are peninsular rivers? Godavari, Krishna, Penna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapati. What are Rift Valley rivers? Narmada, Tapati, Sabarmati and Mahi are the Rift Valley rivers are western flowing rivers. Water is used. The water are using a different purpose. We are using a drinking purpose, bathing purpose and irrigation purpose. So much used for water for us. Inflow and outflow. Inflow equal to precipitation plus surface water flow plus groundwater flow. Next one, outflow, the main process is evapotranspiration and transportation. And Tungabhadra river basin. Where is Tungabhadra river basin? Tungabhadra is the tributary of river Krishna. Tungabhadra basin is the joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh state. Tungabhadra dam constructed in 1952. Rational and equitable water resources here have learned Haveli Bazaar. They are using today for bands. They are very well developed that village. So that village will be selected Adarsh Grama Yojana award. So lastly, water is a common food. That means we all are protected the water. If you are protect the water, our future generation will be not suffered water problems. So children, save water and save life. Save water and save life. If you are using excess of water, people will be faced a lot of problems. If you need that water will be used in daily life, our future generation will not suffer the water problems. If any person will be open the taps, public taps, if you are observed, go in that place will be immediately stop that tap water. Automatically that water will be protected. So lastly, finally, I am saying save water and save life. Thank you very much for watching my video.